I want to talk about this before it disappears, but it's an idea, like a concept my friend Rob had when we were working together, and I haven't heard of it since, and I never see anyone talk about it, but I think it's so important. I think it's so crucial. It's extremely hard to do, but it's a research design system, or a consolidated research repository, I think is what he called it. And I think that's extremely important because, number one, I've seen historical tracking become a problem, right? So how did we get from here to here? A lot of times that gets lost. And then also utilizing research from other teams to inform decisions for your team also gets lost. It's hard to do. And I do think the solution is a consolidated research repository with segmentation of areas, really just a research design system that's accessible and people can access tests and the analysis associated with it. And I do think one of the challenges is like research deliverables are usually kind of unclear or vague. And I think that there's just area of improvement. So I just want to share that and keep it in mind. Maybe you guys know some resources that do this well, and I just don't know them. But I think maybe we could be the ones to make that resource somewhere. Maybe introduce it to your company and get your own promotion. I don't know, but worth starting the discussion about.